Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another video about Staub here. And this is a summary of what I have purchased since January all the way to June of 2021. If you have not yet subscribed to the Food Travel Shopping Channel, hit the subscribe button below, and at the end of the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I know some of you guys who've been following me are so interested in terms of a summary of what I've purchased so far with Staub from January to now. So let me show you everything that I have. So what I have here as a collection so far, this is worth over $3,639, and the discount was roughly 59% off, and it came out to $1,474 roughly. And these were all without any tax calculation, so that's just purely a close to 60% off, so 59 something percent off from the original price. So this is my whole entire set. Okay, so starting with the brazier here, this is my favorite brazier from Staub, and this is a 28 cm 11 inch in terms of the diameter here. And if you want to watch a close detail of these unboxing, I will put it in the description box below. Here you have the rice cocotte, and this is the black matte color. Okay, so over here I have the ceramic ramekins here, and this is called the Basil color. Okay, if you are not familiar with the different colors here, basically this one is in the grenadine. Okay, this is like the red color, not the bright red, but I would call it like the wine, red wine kind of color. The one on the bottom here, okay, the graphite. Okay, so that's their gray color here. So the graphic gray. Okay, moving over here with the oval cocotte here, this is your white truffle. And this one is in the 31 centimeter, and this is an actual 6 quart. And then here on the bottom, that's the deep blue. Followed by on the bottom here, this is the La Mer, one of my favorite color from Staub. And this one is the oval cocotte, and this is the 37 centimeter. It's a 8.5 quart, and it's such a lovely cocotte. Okay, so in the front here, this is my latest review. If you have not yet watched my special unboxing of the July 4th, this is the set. So very nice display for the chips and the dip, right? For the dip. Also the La Mer color, in this case, the 5.5 quarts in the 26 centimeter here. Okay, I also have the steamer here. All right. This is the lid of the sea bass and bowls lid here with the fish knob. And again, this is the rice cocotte. And I hope you enjoyed this video in terms of a summary of my first half of the year of purchasing with Staub cookware. And as you know, that I am a biggest fan of Staub. And this is just my journey so far for this year. And you can see the variety of colors that I've added into my collections and the different style of cocottes and displayed, and starting off with expanding to the ceramic pieces that I have here. So definitely, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button so you won't miss another unboxing video. I will be putting every piece of these contents that I've unboxed in the description box below as well. Also, be sure to check out my other playlist where I use these cookware to do some sort of cooking video and share those contents with your friends and family. Also, if you're really enjoying seeing me unboxing the Staub products, feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. And I will be doing a few more unboxing for sure, and there's gonna be quite a few there will be quite a few surprises towards the end of the second half of the 2021. So I will be continue to unbox my Staub cookware as I journey through my acquiring more of these different pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me the thumbs up by hitting the like button below. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget, there is a coupon code on the bottom for you to use at the Swilling website, and that is a 20% off discount, which I wanted to share with you all. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Food Travel Shopping channel.